Some of our important collection points are at the bar. I'll tell you why they're at the bar. At the school, I'll tell you why they're at school. So when you see some of these are collected from the bars. Why the bars? Because the consumption of the content in the plastics, and then they come when they are clean. Right now we're not yet at the stage where we do a lot of cleaning, so we're trying to have that. But the plan is to start picking all sorts of plastics. There's this other type. You'll ask me, which type is this? Takataka has a partnership with Lacho Hospital. So we get this from Lacho. The partnership works in a way that they treat it, they clean it, so by the time it reaches us, it's free of an infection. Then we have these are some of the few that people bring to us. We have collected this and we sort them. These have different PECs. They're used for different products. I will show the products when we get back. In part of the partnership, we work with the GCC, City Council. We have a collaboration, what we term an initiative called Keep Gulu Clean. And what you see here, some of them look very dirty. This is what we collected, or what we usually collect during the clean up the city, or Keep Gulu Clean.
So how many times do they do that? It's like once a month? Or?
Once a month. For the start is once a month. At every end of the last Friday of the month.
Everybody comes out, all citizens?
Oh yeah, well, we encourage all citizens, but because of the COVID, we try to restrict it such that we have a manageable number. So this is not yet sorted.
Right.
How do we have this sorted? Takataka has a social responsibility that it aligns with. It works with formerly street-connected children or youth who, when you look at the streets, they do work on the street, which pays them a meager pay. But in connection with Takataka, we give them some work of sorting, which pays them something that keeps them off the streets. They can have a housing over their head. They have some food.